you, Lord, for this day that you give. Forgive me. Help me to obey my parents and teachers. Give me wisdom as we study our lessons. We love teacher dear. Good morning to you, teacher dear. Teacher dear, teacher dear. Good morning to you, teacher dear. We're fine, thank you. Good morning, children. You say, good morning, teachers. Good morning, classmates. Good morning to all. Okay, so how do you call this one? How do you call this? Gabriel. Yes, great job, Zechariah. Yes, Monday. August. What number is this? Number 3. 20. 26. How's the weather like today? Is it sunny or rainy? Is it sunny or rainy? It's what? Okay, sunny or rainy? Oh, Isaiah. Oh, sunny and sometimes rainy, no? It's raining, diba? Oh, there's a little bit of raindrops, no? May mga raindrops dyan. Okay, oh, rainy, yes, the rough flags are. Ian, sunny or rainy? Oh, rainy. Oh, sunny or rainy? Yes, sunny or rainy, Zechariah? Sunny or rainy? Yes! Okay, great job. 22. 6. Train up a child in the way he should go. Ian, and when he is old. Oh, Ian, I love you. Help me. Say to the Lord, I love. Reach your hand. Reach your hands up to the sky. Left. Turn to your right. Blink your eyes. Turn around. Turn around and start to sing. And say to the Lord, I love. And sing. I love you. I love you. Say to the Lord, I love you. I love. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Oh, bend from your waist, sway down up. Oh, Zechariah, right? And start to sing and say to the Lord. Everybody now, go. Love you, I love you. Say to the Lord, love you, I love you, I love you. Say to the Lord. Where's your head? Where's your head? Oh, great job, front legs, sir. Yes, Isaiah and Ian. Where's your head? Okay, Gabriel. Where's your head, Penelope? Kid Gabriel. Head. Shoulder. Again, head. Shoulders. Okay. Kid Gabriel, Zechariah. Head. Shoulders. Knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. To make it fast, a little more faster. 1, 2, 3. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head and eyes and ears. Whisper naman, whisper. Let's whisper, okay? And shoulder, knees and toes. Whisper, whisper. Whisper only. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Toes, knees and toes. Great job. Heighten, heighten. Yes. Heighten. Yes. Sleep. Lie down, lie down. Lie down. Sleep like this. Oh, we call it sleeping line. Say it. Sleeping line. Oh, nakasleep si ano? Si Isaiah. Great job. Si Ian. Si Ian. Oops, 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 oops. Okay. Ayan, guys. Now, as I count to 3, you have to stand. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Kid Gabriel, stand up. Stand up na, stand up na, stand up. And that is standing line. Standing line. Naka-stand up ba? Everybody stand up po. Everybody stand up na. Oh, Isaiah, you copy this. Rock legs are standing. Standing. Oh, this one is Gabriel. Oh, Penelope, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, this one is sleeping, sleeping, and standing. Everybody standing. Oh, copy picture. Like this. Oh, like this. Dali, come on. Standing. Standing. A sleeping line here. Apa? Sleeping line. The B. And the flower vase. Oh, that's okay. The flower vase is for the yes. So Isaiah, the rain is for Penelope. For the rain is for the rain is for the yes, for the umbrella. And that is sleeping. You will put a sleeping line here, apo. And now Ian, for the standing. Bayway nga tayo. Iwan na agad, diba? Yes, and this one? Standing line. Okay, can you put sleeping line here? The B is for the beehive. Okay, go. B is for the beehive. Come on. Oh, put a sleeping line. Yes. Okay. And how about the flower vase is for the yes, flowers. Let's put a sleeping line. Okay, and this one, rain is for the yes, sleeping line. Yes. Okay, and here for the kite, put a standing line. Come on, the kite. Yes. And this one, what's this? Balloon. Oh, put a standing line. Yes. And the yo-yo. Oh, put a standing line. Yes. High five. Great.
Shipping line. Standing.
Yes, standing. On this one, what is this? B for the beehive. Yun, bahay nila. Can you put a sleeping line like this? Go. Put a sleeping line. Come on. Put a sleeping line. Yay! Going to the beehive. Okay, this one. Flower vase to the what's that? Flowers. Yes. And this one, the rain is for the what's this? Yay. Okay, this one. Oh, what's this? You put a standing line. What's this? Kite. Yes. Okay, put a standing line. Yes. And this one?
Balloon.
Oh, put a standing line. Yes. And this one?
Yo-yo.
Yes, put that standing line. Yes, high five. Yes. This one, stand.
Standing.
Wow. And this one, what's this? B for the beehive. Oh, put this one, the sleeping line. Yes. Okay. And this one naman. What's this? Flower vase to the flower. Yes, flowers. Let's put a sleeping line. Yes, and this one. Rain for the
umbrella.
yes, let's put a sleeping line. Okay, and this one. What's this? Kite. Let's put a standing line. Oh, yes, go. Don't put the standing line. And this one, double. What's this?
Balloon.
Okay, put a standing line. Yes. And this one, the yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Oh, put a standing line. Yes. Okay. Hi.
Keeping line.
Yes, and this one? Stand.
Standing line.
Yes. Oh, what is this? The B for the beehive. Can you put a sleeping line like this? Go. Yes. And this one? Flower base to the?
Flower.
Yes. Can you put a sleeping line? Yes. And this one? Rain for the?
Umbrella.
Yes. Sleeping line. Yes. And this one? You put a standing line. What's this? Kite. Yes. Put a standing line. Yes. And this one? What's this? Balloon. You say balloon.
Balloon.
And this one? Yo.
Yo-yo.
Okay. Put a standing line. Yes. Great. Sleep. Sleep. Yes. Standing.
Standing.
Yes. Can you do this? Can you put a sleeping line here? The B for the beehive. Put a sleeping line. Come on. Sleeping line. Yes. And this one? The flower vase for the
Duck.
flower.
Flower.
Yes. Go. Okay. And this one? The rain for the
Flower.
yes, umbrella. Okay. And this one? You put a standing line here. What's this?
Kite.
Put a standing line. Go. Here. Here. No. Standing line. On this one, double. Okay, go. Put a standing line. Standing line. And this one, you.
Yo-yo.
Yes. Put a standing line. Yes. Hi. Sleeping line. How do you do the sleeping line? Sleeping line. And this one, standing line. Like this. Standing line. Oh, this one. Oh, can you do this? Like this. Oh, the B for the beehive. Let's put a, yes. Let's put a sleeping line. Put a sleeping line. B to the beehive. Yay! And this one, the flower vase to the flower. Yes, go. Yes, and the rain for the umbrella. And let's go for the kite. Oh, you put a standing line, okay? Okay, put a standing line for the kite. Yes, and for the balloon. Yes, and for the yo-yo. Yes. Wow, the ladder.
Ladder.
Stand.
Standard.
Yes, this one. Yes, the slides. High five. Great job. And in this, where are you gonna put the road? Where? Yes, great job. In the sleeping line. Dot to that only. Okay, and this one, the ladder. Where are you going to put the ladder? Where? Yes, the standing line. And here, the slides. Wow, great job. Slanted. High five. Great job. The road. Sleeping. Yes, sleeping. Okay, this one. The ladder. Stand. Yes, standing. And this one, what's this? Ian, it's slides. Slant. Slanted. Okay, can you match them? Where is the sleeping line here? For the road. This one, or this one? Where? Go. Where? Yeah, go to the road. Yes, and this one? The ladder? Where? This one or this one? The ladder. Go. Where? Yes. And this one. The slides. Where? This one or this one? This one or this one? Okay, go. Where? Yay! High five. Yes. The ladder stand. Yes, and the slides. Slanted. And can you match them? Come on. Can you match them? Where is the road? Where? This one or this one? Look at this. This one or this one? Okay, go. Dot only, huh? Dot only po. Dot. Go to the dot. Yes. And this one, the ladder. Where? This one or this one? No. The ladder. This one or this one? Huh? Doon mo, the ladder. This one or this one? Yun. Okay. Ups. Okay. And the slide. This one or this one? Yes. Okay, go. Slanted. Say slanted. Okay, great job. High five. Roads. Yes. And the ladder. Standing. Yes. And the slide. Yes, slanted. Oh, can you match them? Come on, let's match them. Oh, match them. Where is the line for the road? This one or this one? This. Yes. Okay, go. That only, huh? That only. Yes. Dot to that, baby. Dot to dot. Okay, go. Dot to dot. Go. Yes. And this one, the ladder. This one or this one? Wow. Okay, go. Standing. Go. Yes. And about the slide. Yes. Okay, go. Yes, great job. High five. Okay. Yes, and the ladder. Yes, standing line. And this one, the slide. Slant. Yes, slanted. Okay, let's go. Let's match them. Come on. Where is the sleeping line? This one? This one or this one? The sleeping.
Oh, this
Oh,
one.
flipping. This one or this one? Yeah.
This one.
Yes. Okay, good. That to that only. Yes. Okay, how about the ladder? This one or this one?
This one.
Oh, look at this, oh. This one or this one?
This one.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Mm,
Yeah. Okay, and how about the slides? Where? This one or this one? Yes, go. Yes, Lantern. Great job. Okay, high five. Great job. And also, the farm, you will put cake, or you put a standing line in the farm. No, 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 no. A standing line. You put a standing line, standing line, standing line. Papa, yes, yes. And in here, oh, look at this, look at this. What is this? Quack, quack. Ay, what's that? Ah, chicken. You put a standing line. And this one, what is this? The cow. The cow, you put a standing line. And here, what's that? The pig. You put a standing line. Go, Isaiah. Go. More, 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 more. Great job. Yes, great job, Penelope. Oh. Gabriel, go. Great job, Kate Gabriel. Go. Alright. Go, Ian. Go, Ian. Go, Segaraya Braille. Slowly. Slowly. Yes. And great job. Yes. Great job. Alright. Okay, go. Go. Go, Raplexer. Go, Raplexer. Go, Raplexer. Go, Raplexer. Yes, great job. Standing line.